Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix creator account cannot be private on Instagram. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So usually guys, the professional account won't be enabled it as a private account. Why? Because it's only designed to be a public account. If you enabled, it shows the creator account cannot be enabled as a private account. So if in case you need it to be a private, you need to enable it as a personal account to enable the private account. So here I'm just switching to the personal account. Yeah, here I switched the account from professional to personal. Now I'm going to enable it as a private. So for that you need to enter into your settings activity, and then you need to enter into the account privacy. Now you can enable it as a private account. So this is how guys you need to enable. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.